It has arrived. My access pin is here. So my besties, I'm so happy. I think I'll be putting you guys through on how you can verify your address in your AdSense. Yes, in your AdSense account, how you can verify it. So I actually kept this thing. I received it yesterday, but I want us to do it together. I want, to show you guys how you can verify it in your AdSense account. Remember, when it comes to AdSense, that is when you already monetize. And for you to get monetized, you need to have your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And after that, you apply and you get, enter into the you know, YPP program, your YouTube partnership program. Yes, and that time, remember when you were applying, you created AdSense account. Yes, that's the first step. The second step is verifying your identity. Remember, if you don't verify your identity, and in after 45 days, thereabouts, I think, that you get a mail from YouTube and you did not verify your identity, your monetization will be taken away from you. And then the third one is this, to verify your address. And then when you verify your address, you can now as well put in the payment method you want to use for YouTube to pay you. Yes. So when you put in you verify the address, you put in the payment method, and that is how all your money, all your revenue you are getting from YouTube, it will be, you'll be receiving them. So I'm going to be carrying us along, but before I show you my screen, I want to tell you how you can get this thing speedily. The way you can actually do it, especially if you are in area or in the country where their delivery method is not smooth, because I know that one of my besties that I reviewed her channel and applied for her monetization. I know that I I got monetized 2 weeks or 3 weeks before her, but her access pin is already with her and delivered to her straight with her stress. But here in our country, in Nigeria, there are so many areas that had issue or have issue with delivery method, the post office, and every other thing. So that is what I will be taking us along, so that in case if you are in Nigeria and you're watching this video, you need to do one or two things to make sure that your pin comes to you faster without stress. So that's what I will be saying now. When I was applying for when I was creating my AdSense account, I changed my name. I think you can see that in my previous video I made on that. And then when I was verifying my identity, I impute all the necessary things, and then the billing address, and make sure that whenever you are creating your AdSense account, so if you're in Nigeria, make sure you put your number. That's what you can see. I don't know if you can see it. My name is there, my address is there, and then my number, my phone number. And then when this thing came, even came 3 weeks, because YouTube will tell you that you will get it in 3 weeks. And then after 3 weeks, if you did not get to your location, you can apply again and then change the address and change the address you want them to send it again. If it's not correct, you can change the address to another address. So, and then after the second time and you apply again, they can as well send it to your email, but those ones have another long way. You need to provide some documents and every other thing to do those ones. But in this video, I'm talking about how you can get this one fast and without stress. So when you are doing it, applying it, make sure you put your phone number. Very, very important. So when this thing came to me, not to me, rather, when it arrived to Lagos, I was surprised. I got a WhatsApp. I'm going to, attach it somewhere. I got a WhatsApp message from someone that I don't know, putting the picture of this to me and asking that if I need it urgently, that I can open it and then when they open it, they can send me the PIN. I was like, are you sure these people are not fraudsters or 419 kind of? I say, no, I need this. I need to get my asset PIN in my hand that they should send it down to me. It took them a week plus before it gets to me to my location. And when it got here, they called me to come and pick it. So they called me to come and pick my AdSense account. I'm going to show you the picture. I was so excited and I didn't even wait. I'll show you the video. I made a video quickly. Then I'm going to pick my AdSense account, and then I rushed to the post office. I didn't even want them to send it to the address that's my address, right? I put in. So I quickly went there. When I got there, I was trying to snap it in. The man was like, okay, let me hold it for you. I'm going to put that to... He said, let me hold it for you so that I'm going to capture that he's the one giving it to me when I snap the picture to show you how excited I was. And the man also shared in my joy. So before I talk too much, this is how you're going to open it. There's an arrow for you to, open it sideways, and then you can then get the pin. So let's do it together. So we are doing it together. So after this, I'm going to show you my screen, how I'll impute it, and also impute my dollar account. That one is another story. It's a story for another day. Yeah, I created my accessor. My dollar account, the stress it gave me, I have to change another bank, and that was how I was able to do that in one day. Anyway, that's the story for another day. Let's do this one first. Let's do this one first. Be gentle, so that you're not going to tear the number. I've waited all these while so that I can share with my besties. Yes, so that I can share with my besties. So this is it. This is the number. This is the almighty number 246, 6-digit number. This is the almighty number. And then the instruction on how you're going to do it is here. So you don't need to stress yourself. When you get it, you open it this way. The instruction is here. And this is it. So let's go together and get it done. So I'll be showing you my screen. I'll be recording my screen, and I will go through the email they sent to me to, notify me on how I can enter my AdSense account. Yes. So that's what I'll be doing now. So enter your PIN, verify, blah. So this is the interface. I am in my Google AdSense page now. So you can see that is the money that I made in October. So yes, the November one is not showing at the moment. And then I'll click on verify address because I've already verified when you click on verify, so it is going to bring you to this interface. You can see I have completed my identity verification. The second one is address verification. And that is what we'll do. We'll put in the PIN. Yes, 424709. And do what? Submit. Yay, completed. This is it, completed. So congratulations to me. Now my identity is verified. My address is verified. And then what next is for me to put in my payment method. Yeah, let's go there. So you can see the payment method. I pause the video so I can be able to get everything done. My name, beneficiary name, bank account name, bank name, and soft code. So anytime you're doing yours, make sure you get the soft code of the bank you're using and also the branch, because some of the soft code may vary. It may not be the same depending on the branches. And then the account number, they require you to put the account number twice, for confirmation. and that is it. And after that, you do what? You save. So now that I'm showing you my screen, you cannot see that it's not that difficult for you to, verify your billing address. And so after you finish really, verifying it, you can then put in your payment method, and after that, voila, you now know that okay, everything is set. You're not waiting for you to get to your payment threshold for the month and YouTube will pay you. Yeah, so if you know that this video is helpful, please let me know in the comment section. And if you don't forget to like, share, and comment, and then let me know any other video you want me to create. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much for all your support, for everything. See you in my next video. Yeah.